Here we got a 1998 454. Take it back and get it rebuilt, get it put in something. Then we got a 1969 Chevelle SS 396, rated at 375 horse. And then we have a 454 out of a 72 to 74 by SS, El Camino Chevelle. They always say high performance passenger on the blocks, and then you always have a serial number here as well. So you'll find that as long as the see right here. Then you'll have, I can't really see them all. You have a number here. Of course that block's flipped over, but you'll have your serial numbers on the front, and then you have your casting number on the back. And I'm not sure where this one is, but it's on the side of the block. It'll tell you what number out of 12 of the casts. Just in a bad position right now to get all that information for you guys. But these are some big blocks I'm taking home. I couldn't get to the 427. There was too much stuff in the way. That one's going in another vehicle. Then we have a 2005 Camry. It's going to be getting a new engine and some tires. Then a 79 Monte Carlo. It's got a 305. I think I said in one of my other posts that it was a 350, but it is a 305, I'm sorry.